In the last class, we were discussing active and passive voices, and again on your request to speak in Hindi. So I'm saying, please mute. I will take my lecture will be in English and Hindi both on your special request. But please try to follow English and try to understand English, or you will be in trouble. There are certain complaints also to be noticed. There are many students who have not joined Google Classroom. How many of you are present here who have not joined the Google Classroom? Can I have a list of the students who have not joined the Google Classroom? Yes, may I have a word with them? I will mark all of you absent even if the Google Sheet is showing you present. I will mark you absent. Shivani Kumari, roll number 1. Vandana Jyoti 3. Kailash 4. Shivani Kumari 6. Govind Kumar Maji 7. Mohammad Nazir Ansari. Amarjeet Kumar Thakur. Sanjeev Pandit. Kumar Ashok. Rajiv Kumar Sharma Priya. Sonu Kumar Giri. Mohammad Zafar. Sanjeev Ranjan. Pankaj Pandit, Satyam Kumar Sharma, Kumar Rishabh, Satyendra Kumar, Ram Sammato, Shobit Kumar, Lalan Kumar Ram, Shikha Kumari, Sanjay Ram. Who is present here? Who all are present here? Come on, don't waste time. I have also.
Vandana Jyoti.
Because I haven't to join the class.
सर गूगल क्लासरूम मैंने ज्वाइन किया था.
So your name is showing you are not joined. Yes, Vandana Jyoti.
सर ज्वाइन किए हैं.
Yes.
रोल नंबर 6 ज्वाइन किए हैं हम.
Are you there? Please recheck. Shivani Kumari. Shivani Kumari,
Okay.
roll number 1.
नो सर रोल नंबर 6.
Roll number 1. जितने भी लोग ज्वाइन नहीं किए मैं शुद्ध हिंदी में समझा देता हूं. मैं सबको एब्सेंट मार्क करूंगा. सारे मटेरियल्स मैं वहीं दे रहा हूं. एंड प्लीज गो थ्रू VCS. वी आर गिविंग यू. आई हैव my videos, lecture, everything are loaded there. Please take a pen and a paper and write your assignments now.
सर क्लासरूम में शो कर रहा है ज्वाइन है हमसे.
Please note down with a pen and a paper now. Instead of speaking and talking, you can message me later. Write an email. Okay. To your HOD, informing him that you are not able to join. Informing him that you are unable to join. You are unable to join VCS. The rest details I'll share in the group. Okay? And you have to properly send this in the Google Classroom only. You have to upload your photo in Google Classroom. Or else, wait, sorry, don't load a photo, you send me an email. You have my email ID, just directly send me an email. Okay? Now, in the last class, we were on voice. Can anybody tell me what is active voice?
In active voice, the object receive the action of the verb.
Okay. Anybody else? Anybody else? Anybody else? Anybody else, please? What is active voice? We had a lot of discussion on the active voice. That active voice tells us, please mute, whoever is unmute, kindly mute. Tells us that whoever is the doer of the action, the verb tells us that the noun is the, or the subject is the doer of the action. Okay. Now, we were in the question ki why do we use active to passive voices? This was the last discussion that we left. कि why do we हम लोग passive voice का use क्यों करते हैं instead of active voices? Do you remember? कि हम लोग active से passive voices का use क्यों करते हैं? Can you tell me? Nobody can tell me. Is there any problem in my audio here? Amn't I audible?
Yes, sir.
Yes, please. Why do we use active to passive voices? Yes, somebody was speaking.
सर अगर एक्टिव वॉइस में डूअर मतलब डूअर का इम्पोर्टेंस ज्यादा होता है, अगर हम चाहते हैं कि रिसीवर का इम्पोर्टेंस ज्यादा हो तो हम उसका पैसिव बनाते हैं.
Is it importance or importance?
इम्पोर्टेंस.
Importance. Importance. Okay. Now, this is my personal slide that I am showing you. A verb is in the active voice where its form shows that the person or thing denoted by the subject does something. Okay? Or Ram reads a book. A verb is said to be in the passive voice when its form shows that the person or thing denoted by the subject is not active. A book was read by Ram. In this, a book was read by Ram. Can you tell me where is the, what is the voice, active or passive?
Active, sir.
Excuse me. A book was read by Ram. A book was read by Ram.
पैसिव.
Passive, sir.
Okay. Now, how do we change from active to passive? Can you tell me? How do we change from active to passive? Can you tell me how do we change? Okay. Can you write one sentence? Sita loves Savitri. Can you write this? Or write simple, Sita loves Ram. Fine. In Sita loves Ram, written Now, how do you change this in passive voice? How do you change this in the passive voice? Again, you forgot. Come on, quickly. Voice quickly.
Sir, Ram is loved by Sita.
How? How did you change this? I accepted that you're right, but how did you?
क्योंकि ये सिंपल प्रेजेंट टेंस में है और सिंपल प्रेजेंट टेंस को पैसिव वॉइस में चेंज करने के लिए इज एम आर और वर्ब का हम V3 कर देते हैं.
Oh my God, I am teaching learned people. परम विद्वान लोगों को मैं पढ़ा रहा हूँ. ये कुछ मेरे तरह से साधारण बच्चा सब नहीं है यहाँ. Okay, that's right. अब what changes have we witnessed? यहाँ पर क्या क्या changes हम लोगों ने witness किया है, ये कोई बताएगा मुझे?
ऑब्जेक्ट को पहले सब्जेक्ट बनाए हैं.
Very good. Very good. Then
देन
Using by.
using by. Only that much.
नो सर.
Okay, let us see. Let us see. My sentence is
सीता लव्स राम.
Sita loves Ram. Okay. Now,
यस सर.
if we are talking about, say, Sita loves Ram, without any doubts, we can say that this is a transitive verb.
यस सर.
Sita, doer, Ram,
रिसीवर.
receiver. The action of Sita goes to Ram. No issues? Now,
नो सर.
now, while changing this, the first thing, this object comes here as the subject and this subject goes as the object. So the first thing is Ram and then here Sita. Ab if I write that Ram loves Sita, so the sentence is correct.
नो सर.
Why? What is the problem?
क्योंकि यहाँ सीता राम से प्यार करती है और आपने जो सेकंड में चेंज किया वो राम सीता से प्यार कर रहा है. ये जरूरी थोड़ी ना है.
Anybody else? देखो यहाँ one major thing is here और वो major thing है कि in changing the form of the sentence, हम लोग voice में active से passive voice बनाने के क्रम में लोग सब कुछ कर सकते हैं लेकिन उसके मतलब को change नहीं कर सकते हैं. We are not supposed to change the meaning. So this boy was right. तो अगर हम लोग कहते हैं राम लव सीता, ये तो उल्टा है. सीता लव्स राम, बट दिस इज नॉट क्लियर कि राम भी सीता को लव करते हैं कि नहीं. तो इंस्टेड द फॉर्म ऑफ वर्ब नीड्स टू चेंज. अब फॉर्म ऑफ वर्ब कैसे चेंज करेगा? तो हियर वी हैव टू लुक कि यहाँ पर टेंस कौन सा यूज हो रहा है. सीता लव्स राम, व्हाट टेंस इज दिस? Children, what tense is this?
Simple present tense.
सिंपल प्रेजेंट टेंस.
This tense is simple
Present tense.
present. This is simple present. Now here, it is, you cannot use the same tense. You are not supposed to use the same tense. So here you have to use the simple present tense. उसी बात को express करने के लिए comes Ram is loved Sita. The sentence is correct now?
बाई सीता सर,
Right.
सीता के द्वारा.
By is a preposition that tells us कि by means द्वारा. Now both sentences are equal or unequal?
इक्वल सर.
Equal, sir.
Now, so now we must see कि what changes have we witnessed. हम लोगों ने क्या-क्या changes witness किया है. The first is subject becomes object and object becomes subject, right? That we can see here, na? This Ram
Yes,
is
sir.
object here, and this Ram has come here as
Subject.
subject. This Sita is object here, and this Sita is subject. Okay. So now, and the form of verb has also changed accordingly. अब accordingly means ये accordingly क्या है, we'll discuss later. And then we have a by preposition used to show द्वारा. Is that clear? These four changes only we have witnessed. हम लोग सिर्फ ये 4 changes यहाँ पर witness किए. Any problems? Any problems?
No, sir.
No sir.
Very good. We must get back to our slide. Okay. Now, when the verb is changed from active voice to passive voice, the object of the transitive verb. Why transitive verb? Because this verb is basically transitive. The transitive verb in the active voice becomes the subject in the passive voice. We have seen that only past participle form is used in the passive voice. Mind it. Mind it. Only and only past participle forms are used in the passive voice. Active voice के sentence में तुम्हारा form of verb कुछ भी रहे, whatever, उससे हमको बहस नहीं है. There is only one form of verb that can be used. वो कौन सा form of verb use हो रहा है? कौन सा form है? Past participle. तुम लोग सो गए कि सुन रहे हो? Are you listening or sleeping?
No sir.
Listening.
Okay. कौन सा form of verb use हो रहा है? Past participle form. When the meaning is clear without an agent. Okay. When the meaning is clear without an agent, then by is not used with words like someone, people, man, somebody, a baby, etc. Okay. Okay.
Yes sir.
Yes. Someone please read this again. Someone please read this again.
To sum up, to change from active to passive, subject is made the object, Object is made the subject. The main verb is changed into past participle, and before that is, am, are, was, were, being, been is used in according with the tense.
Okay. Now, what is the change we are witnessing here? What is the change being witnessed? कि सब्जेक्ट ऑब्जेक्ट बन जाता है, ऑब्जेक्ट सब्जेक्ट बन जाता है, मेन वर्ब चेंज इज इनटू पास्ट पार्टिसिपल, और उसके पहले इज, एम, आर, वाज, वर, बीइंग, बीन
का यूज करते हैं.
अब यहाँ पर फिर ध्यान देना, फिर यहाँ पर ध्यान देना कि जो भी यहाँ पर हो रहा है, वट एवर चेंजेस इज हैपनिंग, ये चेंजेस क्यों हो रहा है? क्योंकि हम लोग सेंटेंस के मतलब को चेंज नहीं कर रहे हैं. नाउ द फॉर्म ऑफ प्रोनाउंस आल्सो चेंजेस. आई चेंजेस टू बाय मी, वी चेंजेस बाय अस, यू चेंजेस बाय यू, ही चेंजेस बाय हिम, शी चेंजेस बाय हर, इट चेंजेस बाय इट, they change by them. Okay.
Yes, sir.
Yes,
Now,
sir.
change of
Yes, sir.
tense. Please write this.
Changes of tense. Simple present tense. Am is are plus V3.
Yes.
Active example है active voice में. He takes a ball.
He takes the
A ball is taken by him.
Okay.
Simple past was, were plus V3. He took a ball. A ball was taken by him. Simple future. Shall या will plus B plus V3. He will take a ball. A ball will be taken by him.
Okay, clear. Now let us go to the next slide. If there is a problem, so don't panic. If there is a problem, मान लो कि ये कट जाए, तो don't panic. ये नहीं परेशान होना कि फिर sir what we will do? We'll join again. Okay.
Okay, sir.
Now, this changes to that, these into those, here into there, today, that day, this morning, that morning, this evening, tonight, yesterday, the day before, last night, previous day, last week, the previous week, month, year, etc. Tomorrow, the next day, the following day, the next day after tomorrow. Okay, now, then, thus, so, ago, before, a year ago, year before. Words expressing nearness of time or place are generally changed into a words expressing distance. Now becomes then, here becomes so, today becomes that day. In some cases, this, that, these, those, here, tomorrow, this morning does not change. For example, if I tell you, say, if I tell you, for example, कि I will come here this morning. So this morning will become,
That morning.
okay, this morning will become that morning.
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Yes, sir.
Next, somebody read.
present continuous. M is R plus being plus V3. He is taking a ball. A ball is being taken by him.
Yes. Now,
Past continuous.
now, just a minute. Just a minute. If we say we are taking a ball, so a ball is being taken by him. Now, can anybody tell me what difference have we done here? What difference have we done here? What difference? Achha, wait, let me ask somebody. You people have a tendency to sleep in the class. That is a problem. Yes. Any girl can answer this. What change have we witnessed? क्या change हुआ है यहाँ पर? Can anybody tell me, please? All the girls are sleeping. All the girls are sleeping. Sapna Kumari, 12.
Yes, sir.
Sapna, what is the change here? What is the form of tense? Pratibha Kumari,
Yes, sir.
Priya Kumari, what is the change? What is the change here? Didn't get my question. You didn't get my question. What was the question? Can anybody read? The form.
He is.
The form of verb has changed. And the form of verb has changed how? See, he is taking a ball. The structure is plus verb plus ing. Can you see that?
Yes,
Is
sir.
plus
Yes,
verb
sir.
plus ing. Now the
Yes,
change,
sir.
now the change that we are witnessing, वो क्या हो रहा है? The object, मैं उन तीनों लड़कियों को बोल रहा हूं जिन्होंने जवाब नहीं दिया. A ball is being taken. अब is taking. Change. This is the change of verb, na? Is taking is present continuous tense. Present continuous tense change करता है. Is am are plus. What? How does it change?
Sir,
Being
is
plus
am
V-
are plus being plus B3.
Taken.
plus
V3.
V3.
V3 is always here. बीच में जो घुस जाए, but mind it, V3 is always here. तो यहाँ पर a ball is being taken by him. Now past continuous. Was verb plus V3. He was taking a ball. A ball was being taken by him. Clear?
Yes, sir.
Present perfect. Has, have plus been plus V3. He has taken a ball. A ball has been taken by him. Now past perfect. He had taken a ball. A ball had been taken by him. Now future perfect tense. Shall, will plus have plus been plus V3. He will have taken a ball. A ball will have taken by him. A ball will have been taken by him. Been is missing there. Been is missing there. A ball will have been taken by him. Now somebody read model auxiliaries. Any of the girls? Any of the girls? Vandana Jyoti?
Yes, sir. Past continuous was were plus being plus V3. Active, he was taking a ball. Passive, a ball was being taken by him.
Where are you reading, beta? You read.
Past continuous.
No, beta. Model auxiliaries.
Model auxiliaries.
Okay, sir.
We
Okay,
have
sir.
done that. We have done that. Beta. In the model auxiliaries.
Model auxiliaries can, could, may, might, must, should, would, dare, need, plus B plus V3. Active, he can take a risk. Passive, a risk can be taken by him. Order or command. Let plus subject plus B plus V3. Example, shut the window. Let the window be shut. Don't beat the.
Just a minute. अब ये जो let वाला है, what kind of sentences are let? Can anybody suggest? Let,
Command.